How to watch YouTube while using other apps on your Mac. If you want to keep watching YouTube while working in other apps on your Mac, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open Safari on your Mac and go to the YouTube website. Next, play the video you want to watch. Now, right-click on the video once to open YouTube's menu. Then, right-click on the video a second time without moving your cursor. This will open Safari's context menu. From the menu, click Enter Picture-in-Picture. The YouTube video will now appear in a floating picture-in-picture window that stays on top of your other apps. You can drag the window anywhere on your screen, resize it by dragging a corner, or use the built-in controls to play, pause, skip, or close the video. Now, switch to any app on your Mac, such as Safari, Notes, Mail, or Pages, and the video will continue playing while you work. When you're finished watching, click the Return to Tab button to send the video back to Safari, or click the Close button to exit picture-in-picture mode. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, make sure to like the video, and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.